Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at simple trading strategy for trading boom and crash. You heard that right. Simple trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Okay, I decided to come up with such video because I've been getting lots and lots of questions from my subscribers on that. They need a simple strategy which can help them to trade boom and crash, and probably most of them who are just joining us for the first time, and they have not been able to trade the market successfully. Probably they don't really know how to go about it, so they've been asking so many questions about it. They want to follow us whenever we are doing the 500 trading tips for trading boom and crash every night, but they cannot do that because they are yet to understand how to trade successfully. I've been getting this request for for some days now, so I have decided to create a simple trading strategy video just to show you how you can trade it successfully. I'm going to explain to you guys how the market really works, how the each of these assets works, and also the kind of direction you should look out for each of them in order to trade them successfully, and how I have been able to do my analysis live and direct with you guys so that you guys can milk the market successfully. So everything will be explained in this video so that you will know how to go about it and be able to milk the market successfully with it. But before I go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is all, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. Okay, all you just need to do is just to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill on your demo account first before you try them out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. So if you love my videos, also do not forget to, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with your families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Kindly check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell beside it to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have for today, which is simple trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Okay, before I go straight to the chart, let me quickly go down to the jump board just to give us a few explanation on each of these assets. Okay, so that we will understand the way it works before we go fully into it. Okay, so let's quickly do a few things right here on the chart. Okay, so I'll be talking about boom, either boom 500 or boom 1000. Then also I'll also be talking about crash. Okay, so the crash in general. Okay, so I'm going to let you know about the movement for each of them, then the kind of trend that is best suitable to trade each of them, so that you will know what to put in place in order to milk them successfully whenever you are trading them live and direct. So let me start with the boom. Okay, let me start with the boom. So for boom, it's boom and crash. Generally both of them are synthetic assets, and they are very volatile. So you don't need to look for the period that the market is volatile for you to trade in order to milk the market successfully. Okay, you can always trade it at any point of the day. That is why it is being traded 24/7. Okay, but okay, the best period to trade each of these assets are whenever the market is suitable to trade them. Okay, depending on the direction you want to trade. Okay, so that is why it is always important you know the direction for each of them. Okay, the best direction to trade each of them. Okay, let me quickly say a few things about their normal movement. Okay, the normal movement for boom, in most cases, once you get into the boom chart, you see it going down steadily. Okay, that is the normal movement for boom. You see it going down steadily. This is the normal movement for boom. While crash, the normal movement for it, in most cases, once you get there, you see it going down, up. I mean, going up steadily. Okay, that is for crash. So that is the normal movement for both of them. Okay, either you are trading boom 1000, or you are trading boom 500, or probably you are trading crash 1000 or 500. This is their normal movement. But once in a while they have the opposite movement. Okay, and that happens suddenly. That is the spike that happens suddenly. Okay, you see this happening suddenly without giving you any prior notice before it happens, and that is where we usually have problem in most cases, because once you come across these two assets, all you feel in most cases is that it is very easy to make money with them. Okay, because once you sell in boom, you start seeing blue immediately, and in crash too, once you buy, you start seeing blue immediately. But immediately you are involved in the spike, then the fear will set in, because this is where the major problem usually comes in. So, and that is why you need to understand all this. So you've gotten the normal movements right now. Okay, so when you want to trade the spikes in boom, that is when you buy. That is when you buy. And when you want to trade the spikes in crash, that is when you sell. Okay, and these are very, very important. Okay, so if you are selling in boom, it is always better you sell when the market is just coming from a resistance level. That is if you are selling in spike. Okay, more especially from a major resistance level, it will help you to sell for a very long time. Okay, but if you are buying the spikes in boom, okay, let me quickly say that again. If you are selling in boom, it is better you sell from a major resistance level. Okay, so that you get that right, I'm repeating that again. If you are selling in boom, it is better you sell from a major resistance level. At that stage, you will be able to sell for a very long time. While if you are buying in crash, it is better you buy from a major support level. That will help you to buy for a very long time. And in boom again, if you are trading these spikes, then it is better you trade it from a major support level. Okay, at that stage, you see it spiking up at that stage. Okay, for a very long time. The same thing is applicable to crash. If you are trading the spikes in crash, it is better you do that from a major resistance level. At that stage, you see it crashing down for a very long period of time. Okay, with this being said, okay, this is what will lead us to the exact time which we can trade these two assets. Okay, there is no major period for you to trade it. You only need to look for when the market is suitable for you to trade each of them. For instance, if you are selling boom, that is if you are selling the normal movement of boom, then you should look out for the best trend that is suitable for you to do that successfully. Okay, and the best trend is when it is on downtrend. Okay, that is the downtrend. Okay, that will help you to sell for a very long time. Within this period, you won't have much spike happening around there, and if there are going to be spike, it won't be for long. Okay, so the same thing is applicable to crash. Okay, if you are buying in crash, it is best done whenever the market is on uptrend. Okay, whenever the market is on uptrend. Then if you are trading the spikes in boom, then it is best done whenever the market is on uptrend. Okay, then during this period you get to see so many spikes happening around there, which is also the same with crash. Okay, it is best done whenever the market is on downtrend. During this period, you will be seeing so many drop down candles happening around there, so that way you will be able to milk the market successfully. With all this being said, then I believe you should know what to look out for in the charts whenever you are trading. Okay, so which means there are some things, some elements that are very, very important whenever you are trading. Okay, and some of these, and I mean, the elements are the trend, then also the supports, the resistance levels. Okay, the resistance also, all these are very, very important. So once you know the trend, then you are cool. Okay, you are cool, and that way you will be able to know the supports, and you will be able to know the resistance level, and of course these three will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, it will help you to know your E and E, your entry point and your exit point. Okay, this is very, very important. So this is the formula to milk the market successfully. So let's go straight to the chart so that we can start from there to see how to do this successfully. That is why it is always important you have an indicator, or probably it is important you know your technical analysis very well. If you are not good with your technical analysis, then you should have an indicator that will help you to pick up some of these things easily in order to analyze the market successfully. Like I always tell you, your indicator will not trade for you because it's not a trading bot. It is just an indicator that will help you to do your analysis very well. Okay, so that is it. So just the way we have been seeing it, this is the QDC scraper trading indicator. Probably I'm going to divide this video into two. Maybe tomorrow I will be posting the second part of it so that you will understand how to use it to trade successfully, because I've taken much time already trying to explain on the jump board. So this is the QDC scraper trading indicator, and this is the full setup for it. And you can see right here we have the trend that tells, this particular part of the indicator tells us about the trend that goes for a very long time. Okay, that goes for a very long time, and just the way we have seen it right here, whenever it is green, it is on uptrend. Whenever it is red, it shows that it is on it is on downtrend. And you can see this yellow bar here. That yellow bar will happen once in a while, and with an arrow that shows the direction of the next direction in the market. Okay, you can see it shows us a drop down arrow here, which means that it will be going into downtrend any moment from there. And check out from here, this is where it started, from this resistance zone, and you can see that it was going on downtrend and even went on downtrend to this level. So right from this support, you can see that this happened on the resistance level. Okay, and it was a major one, guys, and this is another one, a support region, and it was a major one, and it started the uptrend right from here, and it has gotten to this level. The trend is still going up because it is still green down here, so it will keep on going up till this one will come to an end. And I believe by then it should have gotten to this resistance level. That is, if it is unable to break it, and probably it should have tested it several times before closing the trend at that particular point to go back into a downtrend. So once you understand all these, okay, you will be able to milk the market successfully. Like I said, okay, you need a lot of patience because sometimes you might not have a suitable opportunity to trade the asset immediately. So you don't need to force yourself to create a signal where there is no signal. Okay, you don't need to force yourself to create an opportunity to trade where there is no opportunity. So you need to wait for the exact time to get the opportunity to go into the market before you go into it. That is why you need to be very, very good with your analysis. Once you are sure of what you are doing, then you will always be able to milk the market successfully. So I'll be stopping right here, guys. I believe you've learned a lot from today's video, and we will continue from here tomorrow so that we will understand how we can put everything into use and start milking the market successfully. And probably most of you guys that are just joining us for the first time, we have a better understanding of how to trade successfully and how you too can put some of these things into use, and of course how you can um and of course you will also be able to join us to trade whenever we are having our $500 trading tips every night. Okay, you too will be able to join us whenever we are having such opportunity. These $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, you will be able to join us and we will be able to milk the market successfully just the way other people have been doing so I'll be stopping right here, guys. I'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and it is a platform which I used to share with you my knowledge on how to milk the forex market successfully. And of course, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.